Hello, this is Jay Lewis from BYTE Network Solutions, and this is the demo on how to log into your remote desktop. You'll go to remote.bytenetworksolutions.com and you'll type that directly in the address bar regardless of what browser you're using. No www or anything, you just do that and hit enter, and that's going to bring you to this page here. You do not need to download anything. The computer that you're connecting to already has the software on it, so disregard all this stuff in the middle. The only thing you need is log in, and then you'll enter your name and you will enter your password, and then you will click log in, and from there you'll get a one-time password sent to your phone or your email, however we have that set up, so that we have to wait until we get the text or the email. It takes usually just about a minute or so, sometimes less. Alright, and my code came in, so that's about how long it should take. And then you click log in. Now, depending upon how many computers you have access to, you may only see one. But to get to those computers, you'll click access. Before I do that, let me make a point. Down here where your name is at, if I've given you a temporary password or something that's really easy, like with the word BYTE in it, our company name, you need to change that to something only that you know. Don't share it with anyone for auditing purposes. You'll just click on change password, and it'll prompt you for your current password and then your new password. It does have to be complex, sort of like your bank. It needs to be a capital letter, it needs to be a number, and some type of punctuation, and the whole thing has to be at least 8 characters long. So just know that going in. If I click on access, which it refreshed to it, but if I click on access, then here's obviously all the computers that we manage. But to get on the computers that you're going to need to manage, you're just simply going to double click on the screen. Depending upon the type of browser you have, it may open immediately, or in the case of Chrome, Firefox, it's going to ask me, do I want to do something with this file, and I'm just going to save it. What happens is it goes right up here to the blue arrow. When I click on that, I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to run it. And then after just a second, it will launch the screen. Now, this is my home computer. I have 2 monitors, so that's why I'm seeing this. If I want to switch to one monitor or the other, I can, and it will enlarge in that monitor. If for some reason the computer is locked, and we're just going to make it locked, if for some reason the computer at your office is locked, then you will need to send it a Control-Alt-Delete under the gear here, which is just like if you were sitting at the computer and hit Control-Alt-Delete, and then you'll enter your password or your PIN number, and you'll be logged into Windows. Alright, I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, this concludes our session.